How to attach Velcro to fabric. I'm going to show you on this cushion cover that I have. So this is the front of it. It's going to be 16 by 16. And then I have two sections here and they are 16 by 10. And I have my Velcro strip. I don't have it quite long enough for the length of this cushion cover. It would be 16 inches. So if you're doing a 16-inch cushion, I'd recommend that you get a piece of 16-inch long Velcro. And obviously this is both parts here. So this is how to attach Velcro to fabric using this cushion. Attaching Velcro to fabric is really, really simple. It's just a little bit of prep work, that's all. So we're going to create our hem on both of these, the back of the cushions that we are going to attach the Velcro to. So I'm just going to fold this over because we don't want any raw seams. And I'm going to fold it over again, like so. And then I'll clip it into place. And this is going to give us one of our bases for attaching our Velcro. So I'm just going to clip all of these pieces all along here. And then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine. And then before we attach the Velcro, we're just going to sew this hem into place. And I will do it on the second portion of this cushion as well. When your cushion cover is right sides out, it's going to look something like this. So you're going to get your piece of Velcro, one of them, and you are going to attach one section all the way along here. So I'm just going to hold it with a wonder clip. We'll concentrate on one piece at a time. So this is our furry side of our Velcro that I'm attaching. And we'll take this over to the sewing machine. When we're attaching this at the sewing machine, our Velcro, I'm going to go all the way down around the outside. So making a big circle around the outside of the Velcro. And then I'm going to do a cross going one way, a cross going another way, like so. You don't need a special foot to attach Velcro. Your regular foot will do the trick. So like I said, you're going to go all the way down. You're going to attach the Velcro all the way down on that one side. Then I have this awesome pivot key. So every time I press the foot up, my pivot key function turns on my sewing machine. And then I'm going to go all the way down this side, attaching this side of the Velcro. Then you're going to complete that circle. And then this is where you're going to do like this crisscross all the way across. And go all the way down. And then you're going to want to go across again. And you're going to crisscross all the way back round. This is going to secure your Velcro well and truly to this cushion cover. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now, to make sure that I have everybody lined up, I'm going to see where exactly my Velcro is. It's around about here. So I'm going to lift that up, and I'm going to use my clips again. And clip all of this into place. And we're going to do exactly the same thing and just attach the Velcro just like we did. So I just want you to see that I am going over this Velcro where these teeth are. It's just a regular foot. And then again, you would just attach the Velcro like I'd previously shown you. So you're going to go all the way down, around, and then you're going to crisscross that Velcro. So that Velcro will be attached to that fabric and it'll be very, very secure. Now, in order to sew this cushion cover together, you are going to attach both parts of this Velcro together. So it's closed. And this is the right sides. So you are now going to put it right sides together with your cushion cover, and you're going to sew all the way around this cushion cover, closing it all up. And then basically you can just open the Velcro and push everything right sides through. This is what my cushion looks like once I've turned it right sides out. I actually stuck some hot fix crystals on there to make it look like some stars behind my dragon there. So what do you think? Are you going to be making a cushion using Velcro? It's really easy, guys. Just close it back up. I think I'm going to be making all of my cushions like this. I make videos every single week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching. There we are. We have now attached Velcro to fabric using this cushion.